Pour some whole milk into a non-stick pot or pan. Add some sugar as desired. Keep stirring until the sugar is totally dissolved in the milk. You want to do this in a low-medium heat. Leave it in a medium heat to keep boiling and keep stirring time after time, like 2 minutes or 5 minutes interval. Keep stirring, make sure it doesn't stick to the pot, and if you have anyone around sticking around the pot or your pan, make sure you always scoop, and our condensed milk is ready. This is my condensed milk. I will be adding it in a bowl with cool water just to cool it down before using it for this ice cream. So, welcome my returning subscribers. I want to say a big thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. Thank you, and for all my subscribers, please click on the subscribe button, click on the first notification bell to enable you get notified each time I upload a new video. So in this recipe today, I'm going to be using 1 pack of Oreo biscuit. It depends on the quantity you are making. So I'll be making use of this because I'm making a very little quantity. We all know Oreo is a very sweet and, should I say, top biscuit in the world today, and its taste is so unique from every other biscuit out there. So let's make this ice cream for the summer. First, you will have to unbox the pack and pour it into a zip bag or anything suitable for you, and then we're gonna be crushing this. You can choose to remove the sandwich cream in between, or you can just match it the way I am doing it now. So I will just go ahead and crumble the biscuit until my desired size, and then we'll continue with the recipe. So in my working bowl, I'll be adding 1 cup of condensed milk, half cup of whipping cream. Like I said, depends on the quantity you're making, and then I will have to whip this until I get a fluffy peak of the mixture. I will continue mixing until it becomes fluffy, and I am satisfied with the thickness of it now. So I will just add my Oreo crushed biscuits, bit by bit, and keep folding this. I will make sure I fold in the Oreo crushed biscuit into the batter thoroughly. This recipe is so simple and easy. So I'll just turn into my container and make sure I spread that evenly in my container. You can choose to freeze it at this moment, but because I want the ice cream to be filled with enough Oreo, I will be adding more of the Oreo cookies on top. When I feel satisfied with the toppings, then I will just cover and put this in my freezer to freeze for 6 to 12 hours. But I do freeze my ice cream overnight because I make it at night. So time to serve. I will just bring it out of the freezer 2 minutes before serving. 2 minutes before, and I will scoop my ice cream into an ice cream cone or an ice cream plate, and it is ready to be served. Please watch to the end of this video. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video, leave me a comment, and subscribe if you haven't, and don't forget to share, most importantly, because homemade is better always. Bye, stay blessed and stay safe until next video.